Hey everybody, so we're gonna show you how to get to Koko Head. This is Luna Lilo Road, I believe, area. But okay, here we go. So we are turning right. You take your first right on whatever road this is. Let me look at the sign real quick. Kalanianaole. My friend used to live over here. So let's see. You can see Koko Head's right there. But we're still driving. The road kind of just turned a little bit, but you're still technically going straight, I guess. So you just keep going. It's probably going to be parked there for a long time, so. Past the boat. And then we're looking for a road on the right. Oh, we're just gonna follow this white car essentially. Okay. So now we're turning here to the Koko Head District Park. So if you want to put that in your GPS, you can put Koko Head District Park and you will roll up right over here. It's a very beautiful place to play tennis. Okay. Playground for the keiki. Keiki is children in Hawaiian. You get some chickens. Aloha chickens. You always gonna see chickens out here. I'm gonna do a quick interview. They don't even know it. Did you guys just do Koko Head?
Not yet.
Oh, you about to go? Have you done it before?
Yes.
Okay, so you guys pros then, yeah? I can tell. You guys got fire legs. Yes. Yes. So, you run them? What you do?
Oh, no, not run.
You pace yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, because I've seen some cycles go up there running.
I know.
Like up and down. I was just wondering. Okay. Mahalo. No, I just gonna do a quick informational and hopefully it's all good with you guys to be featured. Yeah. All right. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Aloha. See, that's how. Oh, birds. Watch out. Watch out, birds. Time to move. Hey, you guys better watch out. So. That was my pigeon coming out. Okay, here we go. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had to clear up some storage. So, we continue. So you pretty much just go straight, and then this is when you turn left. So you can't go beyond this point. There's a chain, little self-explanatory. So we're gonna turn left here. And we're at the end of the Koko Head District Park. And right here is where you go. This is the trailhead. So what you're gonna do is walk down this path, and then when you, I would just follow everybody, honestly. There's so many people that like to do this hike, it's insane. So yeah, that's how you get here. Thanks for tuning in with a local, born and raised, hang loose, mahalo shoots.